Thank you, Professor Dato, Dr. Charles.
Assistant, and you were very kindness and thoughtful. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, GLOJAS.
Professor, Dr. Just thank you. Thank you, GLOJAS.
Yes. How are you, my friend?
Nice to meet you again.
This is you before?
Yes, it's me 6 years ago. It's a big success. I'm very happy. And look, I have a lot of help.
Yeah.
Now I'm very happy.
You look younger now.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Good.
6 years. But younger.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Japan. I'm in GLOJAS now, and no pain, no comfortable. Everything's fine. Yeah, I'm really, really well. Yeah, GLOJAS is the best in Malaysia. Thank you.
Hi, I'm from Osaka, Japan. I'm here to take a hair plant for my big forehead. They treat me really kindly, and yeah, they were so nice to me. I'm satisfied. If someone Japanese or Korean, anyone wanna do it, just come to Malaysia. It's so nice. Thank you, GLOJAS.